Alright, this is a 1987 Tatung Sunstar 42-inch ceiling fan. I have a video of it with 52-inch blades on it back when it was installed over there. I decided to move it over here once I got the 42-inch blades I said I had for it all drilled out and everything to fit the original blade screws, and I think they look amazing on there with the rosewood and everything. The antique brass, I originally thought it was going to be a little bit off, but it actually, I just said antique brass, polished brass. It actually matches the finish of the fan perfectly. You can never tell if these blades did not belong to it. I think they should use these blades on it personally. I think they look amazing on there. This thing looks really cool. It runs really good too. That hum is going away the more it runs. I've been letting it run on high a whole lot lately, and the more it runs, it seems to be going away more on medium. So I'm hoping I'll let it run for maybe a couple weeks or so straight on either high or low and let it finish breaking in the motor, because I did get it new in box and it hasn't seen a lot of use. And then maybe I'll put the down rod back on it and put this up somewhere in my aunt's house, because there's only one ceiling fan in her house and it's a Hampton Bay Landmark. And it sucks. It runs really slow. I think this thing would look great at the top of her stairwell, because there's just some stupid little light up there. And it would be a perfect place for a ceiling fan too. I think this one would fit that area just perfect. Anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy, and if anything changes with this fan, I'll update.